Do you want to know how to start a blog and make money with it? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 questions you need to ask yourself before you start that blog. They could make or break the success of your blog, so stick around. All right, well, my name is Mark Harbert, and if this is the first time you are here on my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I put out videos on a weekly basis and I want to make sure that you get access to them. All right, so you want to create a blog, you want to make a blog, you want to make some money with it. Well, in this video, I am not going to show you the technical aspects of setting up a blog. There are tons of videos out there. You can find that information. What I want to do is address the fact that if you want to create a blog and you want to know how to create a blog that makes money, very, very important. These 3 questions, you have to ask yourself these. You must define the answers to these questions because, again, they will make or break the success of your blog. So let's go ahead and let's dive into number 1. All right, number 1 is, who is your prospect? If you're blogging about health and nutrition, if you're blogging about tech, if you're blogging about dog training, if you're blogging about taking care of your cat, what is it that those types of prospects want? What are they looking for? Who is your prospect? Who is the ideal person that you want to read your blog? If you're blogging about cats and how you love cats and how to take care of cats, obviously you're going to be looking for people who have cats or love cats or are looking for certain information regarding cats. So it's very important to define what you're looking to attract, who you're looking to attract, because that can mean the success of your blog. So you want to stick to a topic that attracts a certain amount of people that have an interest in what it is that you're blogging about. All right, so let's dive into number 2. Number 2 is, what does your prospect want? You must define this. So if we go back to the cat example, if you're blogging about cats and you're attracting people who have cats or want cats or want to know how to take care of cats, then you need to understand what is it that they're looking for? What is it they want? So for instance, if they were to come to your blog, maybe they want to know how to give their cat a bath. Okay, so maybe you could do a post all about how to bathe a cat properly. Let's say you are in marketing and you want to attract other marketers or people like that. What is the number one thing that they want? They want to learn how to generate leads. So you could do a blog post all about Facebook marketing and how to generate free leads on Facebook. Okay, so the goal is you want to know your prospect really, really well. You want to know what they want, what they're looking to accomplish, and that's what you want to blog on. So that is very, very important. What does your prospect want? You must know this and you must define it to make sure that your blog is successful. So let's dive into number 3. All right, number 3 is pretty simple. How can you make their life easier? That's really what it comes down to. And this comes back to the content. So if you know who your prospect is, you know what it is they want, and you know how you're going to make their life easier, this is very, very important. So when you define how you're going to do that, so for instance, you give them access, this comes down to the money-making part. How can you make offers or give them something that will make their life easier? So maybe when you write that post on how to give a cat a bath, you can create a checklist for them that they can download from your site that basically walks them through the process. This is how you're going to make their life easier. Because here's the thing, if you can figure out how to make their life easier or help them solve the problems that they're looking to solve, you will earn a follower and your follower will follow you for the long haul. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking to build an audience. So if you define these 3 things, you can make a blog that will make money. But if you're just going to create a blog that basically just talks about random things, whatever you want, you're going to have a hard time making money with that. You want to get specific on who you want to target and who you want to work with, and define who your prospect is, what they want, and how you can make their life easier. If you can answer these 3 questions, you can start a blog and you can make money with that blog. All right, well, there you go. That's how you make money with a blog. If you look right down below this video, if you're on my blog or if you're on YouTube, look in the description. I'm going to put a link for my 306 copywriting words PDF. And what's in this PDF is there are words in there that can help you write better copy, better blog posts. They can also help you to write better social media posts and better emails. And it'll really, really help you. I suggest you download it. It'll be a great, great thing. You can print it off. You can put it on your desk. You can refer to it when you're writing blog posts, emails, social media posts, whatever it may be. All right, so did you get value? If you did, do me a favor, like this video and comment below and let me know. If there's other things that you think we should add to that list, the 3 that we talked about, I'd love to hear about it. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.